Data used to be simple. How many apples? Now, think about a bus timetable or an Olympic results screen. It's a wall of information. To make sense of it, you need to master complex data, starting with two-way tables. A two-way table organizes two different things at once, like school clubs and year groups. To find how many Year 6 students are in the coding club, you just trace your finger. Find the coding row, find the Year 6 column, and the answer is right where they meet. It's a grid reference for facts. And here's a code tip. Always check the grand total. The sum of all the rows and the sum of all the columns must match the number in the bottom right corner. If they don't, the table has an error. But what if you need to compare two groups instantly? That's where a dual bar chart comes in. Imagine you're tracking umbrella sales. You might use yellow bars for summer and blue bars for winter. The legend tells you which is which. If the blue bar for December is massive, you know immediately that winter sales are much higher. You're comparing two stories side by side in a single glance. This all comes together in the real world with something like a timetable. The columns are the different bus routes, and the rows are the stops. You find your bus and follow with column down to your destination. But watch out for a dash or a blank space. That means the bus doesn't stop there. And when calculating your journey time, remember the clock. A trip from 9:15 to 10:05 is 50 minutes, because an hour has 60 minutes, not 100. Ultimately, reading complex data is about becoming a data detective. You learn to cross-reference for a single clue, compare groups to see the bigger picture, and filter information to find exactly what you need. It's the skill of finding clear answers in a complicated world.